Welcome to our Learning to Cook Pizza channel.
Ready for the Pro.
This is my second cook in the Ooni Pro. So that's my second log in the back. I'm just going to check the front of this oven because it seems, I just want to show you as well how cloudy it's gone. I've got to get this cooked pretty quick. So the oven's currently really hot. I can even see the glow. I'm just gonna hold it and then pull right back. That's pretty hot. I can feel it from here. It's hitting nearly 600 just off the middle of the stone, so that's way too high for me to cook pizza on. If you don't have one of these laser thermometers, get one because they are brilliant. I couldn't cook without it now. It would just be impossible because I'd either be cooking too high or too low. I'm not able to sense how, I can sense that this oven is extremely hot right now, but it's difficult sometimes to judge the stone. This oven is so hot, my pizza's starting to cook on the outside of it, just sitting there. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to wait for this to cool down. I didn't realize it was gonna get this hot so quick. I mean, I've just made another cook and I just put a log in about 5 minutes ago, and I didn't expect it to go up that fast. And it's going down to, oh my gosh, I thought I just saw some rain. Oh, I don't believe it. I don't believe it's come down that fast. Oh, I can feel rain. I have got to do this. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. I don't want to put it on a 500-degree stone. You're just gonna watch me burn it basically if I do that. I don't know whether to risk it. I either get wet and don't burn my pizza. I've got a choice now. Just wait for it to cool a bit more. Just that, it just needs about 20 degrees and then it should be kind of okay to go with this then. Because I've been using the coder, I've forgotten how fast and how powerful logs are. And when you've sort of stopped using them for a month, you forget their power and realise they're completely the boss here. That's good, that's come down. Right, well that's where it says. It says it's come down to 435 in the middle, but it still feels extremely hot in here, so I'm going to pull it right to the edge because I don't really know. It just doesn't feel that cool. It just feels a lot hotter than that. Get my pizza door on. It's difficult to, sometimes I've used this laser thermometer and it says, oh, it's only 420 in the middle, and actually it's like burnt the base. See, right, so it's saying 420 in the middle, so you can see exactly how long I've had it in. Look, boom. Is that 420 in the middle? Really? Oh my gosh, it's raining. I'm going to keep calm and carry on, even though all my logs are out as well in the rain. The good thing is my phone is waterproof, I'm waterproof, and the only thing that isn't waterproof out here right now are my logs and my and my oven. Sorry about the banging side of that door, but if they're not loose, they stick and then they make a noise. So I have this like situation where I've got a banging door. Just checking the cook. It just needs a little bit more. Ouch. Just there. So I've got this banging door situation, or I can't get the door off. Just a little bit there at the top. Can you see the bit there that's not? Just a bit there. There, and that's, I think that's it. Yeah. It's pouring and I've just finished my pizza cook. I love the way the oven has cooked. Just singed the tops of the sausage. Give that bit a try. This sausage, Wiejska, I think it's called, really nice. Try that bit. Very nice.